Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to do the English practice, and today I'm going to speak on the cue card, which is very difficult. I feel basically in my previously, but now I am very confident about speaking on the cue cards basically. So today I've chosen one cue card which is about describing a crowded place which you have visited. So this is all about on this video. So hope you will watch this video till the end, and you will find out a lot of things which you can relate by yourself as well, and you can work on yourself as well. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. So if I talk about like crowded place, which is I have seen it once in my time when I was in a vacation with my friends, and we are coming back to my city, and over that I found out one station which is the starting point of our journey, and from there is a lot of peoples who are waiting for the train basically, because that is the starting point. And because of that I found out like 4 to 500 peoples over there who are waiting for that, and that is very shocking for me, because that is how basically that is very lowest class, and for that there is 4 to 500 people are waiting for that, and we are four members and four friends, and that particular crowded place, we are like that is very difficult for us to basically maintain our like walk together, because that is there is a lot of people are rushing for getting into the train. And so at the point where train comes, at that moment there is lot of disturbance, and because of that we all members got in different compartment of the train, and that is very very shocking, because we first I feel like I missed my friend, and that is really uh, very sad for thing for me because at the time the situation was very critical, because there is lot of people who want to on board on the train, and so some of them are left behind that. But yeah, I just called to my friend, and just he picked up the phone, and he said like we all of them are bored. But like in India, like that is very difficult, like if you're traveling in a general train, a general compartment. So yeah, that is a very tired day at the time, because I feel like I'm not going to travel anymore from this, because the basically ticket is cheaper, but there is lot of basically struggle you need to do. And at the time I just we all of them are young, and we take a thing that we should need to try this as well, because we feel very comfortable life, and we just want to take some sort of challenges, and I feel like that is a challenging part. And so traveling to that is also the thing which we all curious to do. But yeah, this is also a part where there is where we need to improve ourselves more. And apart from that, I have seen multiple challenges, such as like fighting, there people are fighting for the seats each other, and that is we have traveled from the Rishikesh to our home, our city basically, Haryana. And so yeah, the train was basically departing from the Rishikesh and arriving at Haryana at like 9 to 10 hours of this travel time is. So yeah, this was a very in space basic very important travel time, because we learn like how important it is like to have a good mindset, and have a like lot of edge towards like working on yourself basically. So I hope I am able to speak this a lot more like from the previous video, and I feel like I'm going to improve myself upcoming days. So I'm near to closing this year at least 600 videos, and so I'm really proud of myself that I have completed 600 videos in this year. So upcoming days I'm going to upload more videos and more English speaking practice. So you can subscribe to my channel, and hope for the best, and good luck. Bye bye, have a good day.